Naresh, for making me comfortable here. I started the organization Bleats.com. This organization, I'm taking care of the organization as in the founder and the, you can say at present, CEO of the organization. So more or less, I'm taking care of the entire stuff of the organization in terms of business and HR advisory and other services. Uh, Definitely, in today's scenario, the main, I would say, factor which is, upgrading the business on the larger scale is online platform. And thereafter, escaping your business from online platform is something which I don't think is relevant in today's scenario. So to be into the a race and to gear it up, I thought to go it online, and I think Easy Online is one of the platforms which really supported me well throughout my journey. Entire project was pretty helpful, and I was very much convinced, I would say. Whatever thought was there in my mind, they have really evaluated and put it on the platform. I would say that, there are a lot of organizations. I searched and I hunted, for a lot of organization for my website to be, there online. But when I met, I would say Naresh, you and the entire team of Easy Online, I think whatever was in my mind, was in my thoughts, you guys have, evaluated and you have put it, in front of me. So I would rate Easy Online a pretty good organization in terms of when it comes to professional and when it comes to delivery deadlines. So I think out of 5, I can rate 5 very easily. Yes, definitely. There were a lot of, I would say, competition around when I chose Easy Online, right? So since my business is majorly into gathering of businesses where we are trying to revamp the business altogether. It is like a small start from evaluating and understanding the hurdles of the businesses or the corporates, and then closing them off, be it just normal HR functions or be the business strategies as a whole. So I started with Easy Online, choosing the one pre-sales, I would say it was very much clear and transparent. Nothing, as in I have seen organization, they hide something, and when entire stuff is there on the plate, they say, okay, fine, these are the extra charges which you need to pay. So I must say that organizations like Easy Online are really transparent, and I must congratulate you guys that you have not looted enough your clients, and and giving them delivery on time and fulfilling within the budget. So I think that was pretty much clear in pre-sales term. I must say, altogether, I had around 6 to 7 calls with the team, wherein it was not just one call or two calls, wherein they have understood from me what is the concept, what sort of website I want, or what exactly is I want, right? So they have taken enough of time. They have understood it pretty well, going in the depth and understanding the concept of the business. That was most important throughout the journey, where the sessions were there, where the calls were there. I think it was very much clear on both the sides. We were very much comfortable with the team, and the team was either comfortable, I believe. Right. So we try to be in sync and we try to work together as a team. And I think the result is in front of everybody. I would say I was hoping for something, which is in front of me right now. I try to, get in connected with a lot of other, I would say, online platform people, online website companies, they were in sync with me. But when I saw the work of Easy Online, it was in first attempt, it was convincing. So that really pushed me up to go with Easy Online, and the type of stuff which I got is really convincing. One satisfied customer, I believe, is something which is a live example for everybody else, right?
Yeah.
So people like you who are looking forward for budgeted within the budget and professional team, I think they should go for Easy Online, first thing. Second thing, the type of work you guys provide is completely, I would say, niche. I think niche is not the correct word, but yes, is more or less relevant to the businesses, right? So my business, whatever requirement my business was having, you guys have delivered that. So for appropriate transparency and concept, if you want it to be delivered in one go, I think they should connect you. Okay, so I really want this team to grow, and obviously we'll be in touch. It's just the relationship which we have built up, during this short period of time. But I think it evolves with the pace of time when you are in the market, when when you are in the industry, right? So I'm glad to be with Easy Online team and be in touch. So my only message which I can give to team is, you guys will, I'm sure you guys will rock, and you guys will have good future and growth when you are working with Easy Online. So stay with Easy Online, you will be having a good future.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.